widget. I told Gemini to rephrase my prompt, and I wrote my prompt. I'm a high student, high school. I want an app that shows me exact available exam test dates. I gave it the test dates, and they told it that I wanted to have 4 tabs: settings, how much is left to register, how much is left to test day, and how much to get the scores back. And then I explained each tab. Then I told her this is a lot about the registration deadlines, and so this info made me an app for the SAT. I want the numbers to use the n.dot font and the text to be in the n type, which are nothing fonts, by the way. And then I gave it the College Board's primary colors, and then I copied them off of Google Search. Google Search just gave me the numbers and they pasted it. Gemini gave me this really structured form. It gave the dataset, the styling, and the UI